Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, this channel, as you all well know, is mainly about politics. It's politics, and more politics. That's really the main diet of this channel. But in this video, I've decided to deviate slightly from politics to bring you a human interest video. So I came across this article that I wanted to share with you guys. So it's titled 5 Reasons Why Being Single Rocks. So 5 reasons why being single rocks, and this is according to science. So scientific findings show here that you can have the best life while single and waiting for the love of your life. Being single is just as fantastic as being in a relationship. When you are in a relationship, you are at a phase of life that can bring you immeasurable doses of happiness and put you in a good mental state for life's motions. But the good feelings and mental balance required to do life happily is not reserved for only people in relationships. You can be happy in a good place, fulfilled and satisfied with life, even when you are single. According to scientific findings reported in Business Insider. Now, I am wondering why Business Insider will be doing relationship type things, but really I digress. According to scientific findings reported in Business Insiders, here are reasons your days of being single can be just as fulfilling and euphoric as being in love and in a relationship. So it goes on to list the reasons. So the first reason it's come up with is more time for self-love. So more time for self-love. Obviously, self-care and self-love and other aspects of living that requires time to yourself will flourish more when you are by yourself. That stands to reason, of course. You have more time to pursue personal interest, engage in your self-care routines, exfoliate, detoxify your body and mind, and just have your skin glowing and your spirit flourishing. So that's the first reason. The second reason why being single works, it says better interpersonal relationships. So better interpersonal relationships. Being single allows people to cultivate more friendships and several, and in bracket, intimate bonds at once, without having to think or worry about how someone else, and in brackets again, say a partner, feels about their closeness to someone else, especially people of the opposite sex. According to research published in the journal Information, Communication and Society, single people also are more likely to do the work of keeping bonds with their siblings tight. So single people are more likely to form a better relationship with their sibling. That piece is saying. So the next reason why being single works is more motivation to stay in shape. So it's more motivation to stay in shape. A study published in the Journal of Marriage and Family says when you are single, you are likely more motivated to hit the gym. Said study also reveals that divorced people exercise more than married people. It probably has to do with the amount of me time people have on their hands when they do not have a significant other to factor into the equation. So the next reason is come up with is career success. So being single rocks, and one of the reasons being listed for this statement is career success. So career success, this is pretty much expected. People who are single often have more time to dedicate to kicking butts in their careers. That doesn't mean that there are not movers and shakers who are married, but it is easy to work late when you don't have someone to answer to. And I suppose that stands to reason. So the last reason that they've come up with for why being single rocks, for that statement of being single rocks is better with money. So being single rocks, and the justification for it is single people are better with money. According to debt.org, 21% of single people had credit card debt. This is compared to 27% of married couples without children and 36% of married couples with children. So there you have it. Those are the listed reasons why being single rocks. I'm not quite sure what you make of this. I'm not quite sure what I am making of this. A fun little thing. It made me giggle. I don't know what it's doing you. I'm not quite sure how much what this reasoning, or how much this reasoning rather, can stand up to logic or to scrutiny. I'm not sure if we bear down into it, if we will really resist probing, but it's not there to be probed. It's just a fun little thing. So let me know what your thoughts are about this statement that being single rocks. And they're not saying, by the way, that being single is better than being in a relationship, but they're saying effectively, from what I've just gathered and from what we've just read, that being single can be equally as fulfilling. There's happiness to be had in being single too. So what is your status and what are your thoughts? Let's have the conversation in the comment section, as we usually do here. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, and I'll say peace.
Missing someone